Now we are going to fill in the blanks with either depuis or ilya. So we are going to fill in one of these two words in these sentences. So if you remember, depuis is used for an action that took place in the past and is continuing in the present. Ilya is used to express the duration from a past action till the present moment. So shall we begin? The first sentence, Ivan est revenu de Buenos Aires dash du mois. So now he has returned to Buenos Aires dash du mois. So now he returned, the action is in the past and they are expressing 2 months from the past action till the present moment. It is 2 months. So it is the duration between some action in the past and the present moment. So the word we use is ilya. So did you get why I filled ilya here? Because it is an expression of the duration between some action that took place in the past and the present moment. The next sentence, dash son retour, il travaille pour une entreprise d'import-export. So, dash his return, he works for a company of import and export. So now he works. So he is continuing to work. From the time he returned, he is continuing to work. So the action took place and it is continuing in the present. So in this case, we fill in depuis. Depuis. So did you understand the difference between these two, depuis and ilya? Depuis is used when an action took place and is continuing in the present, whereas ilya is used to express the duration of time between the action that took place and the present moment. Now the next sentence, dash 3 semaines, 3 weeks, il m'a téléphoné, il cherchait une colocataire. So now here you would use again ilya. It is 3 weeks, il m'a téléphoné. So it is the duration 3 weeks since the action took place, téléphoné, to the present moment. It is 3 weeks. So ilya. Finally, the last sentence, dash cette semaine, nous partageons le même appartement. So, cette semaine, this week. So, since this week, nous partageons le même appartement. So, the action took place and is continuing even in the present. So, in this case, we will fill in the word depuis. So this is just a simple exercise to make us appreciate the difference between depuis and ilya. Depuis, once again I am telling you, depuis is used to indicate an action that took place and is continuing in the present, whereas ilya is used to indicate a duration of time between the action that passed and the present moment. So it expresses the duration of time, whereas depuis is to express an action that is continuing even in the present moment.